Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with Randy Reed Buick GMC here, and I have the 2020 GMC AT4 Edition Sierra truck. I'm going to show you how the kicker system works and how it's a great item to add to your truck. Push your tailgate down, step by step. It'll open up and reveal inside of here is your 100-watt kicker sound system. Overall, this is waterproof. It does have USB auxiliary port overall as far as getting into the vehicle, and it does have wireless connection right there. Bluetooth setting overall can set up your vehicle, and you can play any kind of music. And again, connect it up to 100 watts worth of power. Real simple. You can control volume either on your phone, or you can control volume right here on your kicker box too. Again, great addition overall to add to your truck, whether you're tailgating, out with friends or family, or overall having fun. Again, my name is Chris. I'm with Randy Reed Buick GMC. It's our all-new redesigned MultiPro Tailgate with a kicker sound system.